KSAT 12. The news at noon starts right
None
now.
of them took that stand. None of them took an oath.
Arguments still ongoing in the trial of 3 former San Antonio police officers. So here's a look inside the courtroom as those closing arguments get close to wrapping up. All 3 former officers are charged in the shooting death of Melissa Perez that happened back in 2023. So our Erica Hernandez is joining us live from the Justice Center. And Erica, what have we heard so far in closing?
Yeah, Stephanie. So while the state is pushing that Alfred Flores, Eliezer Alejandro, and Nathaniel Villalobos didn't seek another alternative when dealing with Melissa Perez, the defense is saying that the state didn't do enough and they didn't show enough evidence to prove that this was a justified shooting. Now, there was a particular quote that stood out from prosecutor Daryl Harris. He said, quote, "You are the ones to put a check on the government and how they interact with citizens." Harris says the former officers could have retreated and made a more thought-out attempt in dealing with Perez, and even implying that they should be held accountable for their actions. They even played more of the body cam footage of the moments leading up to the shooting. Now, as for the defense, they took a lot of jabs at the investigation. Defense attorney Mario Del Prado even saying in part, quote, "Send a message to Joe Gonzalez, to Chief Willie McManus, to law enforcement all across the state. This was a political prosecution." Now, there was one emotional moment, though, that came from defense attorney Tom Nesbitt, who offered a gift to Perez's family and an apology.
Nothing brings their loved one back. And on behalf of Alfred, Eliezer, Nathaniel, and their wives and families, Mitzi, Brittany, and Rachel, we're sorry for your loss.
Now, again, closing is still ongoing, probably for at least another 30 to 45 minutes. But when the jury does begin to deliberate, they do have lesser charges that they can consider. Now, when that verdict does come in, you can watch it live on KSAT 12 and all of its digital platforms. Live at the Cadena Reeves Justice Center, Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.